I haven't gotten millions of views on any social network for a long time, and decided that I should put an end to this and finally create an account that will get millions, billions of views, if not more. On the internet, I came across TikTok Creativity Program Beta and thought that I shouldn't lose the opportunity, and I need to start making TikToks right now. But then I thought, it's possible to post these same videos on YouTube Shorts. There are so many opportunities in front of me. I even imagined myself on the red carpet with hundreds of applause, but more on that later. So I decided to start posting videos that would be viral. At least that's what I hoped. But I needed a plan. After that, I started developing a content plan. A plan on how to make viral videos and any other plan that I might need. Step number 1. The first thing I needed to decide was what niche to choose. I started watching all kinds of videos on TikTok and YouTube Shorts, and I started to come across videos from social media gurus who recommended niches like ChatGPT requests or video podcasts with Minecraft, half the screen, or videos with facts that get 1,500 views. I had to clear my mind and look at things logically, otherwise I would end up in a world of 200 views and never get out of it. After several days of searching the ocean of content, I decided that I would choose a motivational niche. There were 3 reasons for this. 1. Potential views. If the video is well edited and has a strong motivational message, then it will get a lot of views. 2. A simple and understandable niche, where you don't need to come up with something new, everything works great anyway. 3. Wide audience. Almost every person sometimes loses motivation. On such days, he will especially absorb motivational content. Step number 2. I needed to understand what a video must contain in order for it to go viral. Famous people, editing, colors in the video. You're right. It's all together. In my case, it's strong motivation, famous people, and the general theme of the video. For example, never give up, or hard work, or discipline. The main thing is not to try to follow YouTube advisors who say, use ChatGPT and Canva to make 300 videos in 30 minutes, or use this site to create interview clips. Trust me, it doesn't work. Even if it works and you get 1 million views, you still won't be able to monetize them because YouTube doesn't monetize duplicate content, and most likely TikTok too. Also, always keep in mind that if you can't make a viral video, that's probably because you're missing something. If you have a bad video idea, you can't make it go viral no matter how good you write your script or edit. Well, how to pick a killer video idea? Just look out for trends in your niche. Or even better, implement a trend into your niche. Of course, you can take an old topic and add your spice, and most likely this will work too, but it's easier said than done. Practice is everything here. The more content you make, the more unsuccessful videos you make, the more experience you will gain. Sounds strange, yeah? Anyway, let's move on. Step number 3. I came up with the idea that I need to collect a lot of original content, from which I will make videos for TikTok and YouTube Shorts. After 5 days of searching, I have collected a huge number of motivational podcasts, interviews, and videos from personal accounts of celebrities. Then for another 2 days, I downloaded, edited each video, and collected more than 100 short videos, from which it is already possible to compose a potentially viral video. I uploaded all these videos to Google Drive and left a link in my Discord so that everyone could use my content if they want to make videos in the motivational niche. I have divided this content into 3 parts. Motivation from people. Clickbait motivation.
Miss Rabbit has fainted. Miss Rabbit has fainted.
And compilations of videos for overlaying motivational speech.
You know, there's good days, bad days. Some days you are able to be successful, some days you're not. Some days it's your turn.
There's no losing, only learning. There's no failure, only opportunities. And there's no problems.
Step number 4. Now it's time to create videos for our social networks. First, load all the videos into an editing program. In my case, it's CapCut. Next, extract an audio for the background, so that the music covers the entire video. Next, We put all the videos in the order you need and move on to creating text or subtitles. I chose "There is no failure" because that is the main point of this video, but I usually use subtitles because it makes the video more original. Also, I'm trying to base my videos on the idea. What can I do to make the video's retention as high as possible? But here's the catch. Even if it has a higher retention, YouTube is more likely to promote the longer one, at least in my experience. Probably because it keeps the viewer longer on the platform. And if they take retention as the main metric, people would just upload 1-second videos to get 1000% retention and go viral, which is not what YouTube wants. Plus, YouTube shows longer shorts on the homepage, where people are less likely to skip. And with the advent of the TikTok Creativity Program beta, the main criterion of which is videos lasting more than a minute, TikTok is likely to promote longer videos. What I'm trying to say is, make your videos longer. Another thing that will definitely help you is a strong hook to make them curious and stop scrolling. At least that's my strategy. Okay, let's get back to video editing. Select the filter to make the video more original. Don't forget that your video must be original, not just copied from someone else. Otherwise, not only you can forget about monetization, but you can even forget about the idea of collecting millions of quality views. Also remember that video lengths vary across these platforms. For TikTok, more than 1 minute. For YouTube, less than a minute. Step number 5, upload videos to channels. I already had a YouTube channel. I decided to create another one for the purity of the experiment. And here it is. I advise you to first warm up your accounts before uploading videos. Scroll through the feed for a short time. The main thing is not to get stuck. Otherwise, you can spend 24 hours pointlessly scrolling through shorts and TikToks. You have work to do. Be the one who produces content, not the one who absorbs it. Socrates said so. Step number 6, stay consistent. After a few days, I got my first 2,500 views. However, after that, my videos didn't even get 200 views. I continued to post 1 video per YouTube channel and 2 videos per day on TikTok. Day after day passed. I sat and waited for the result, continuing to make new videos and inventing ways to go viral. I experimented with the format, adding the sound of an alarm clock with the words, "Wake up." Mike Tyson's words that he is Alexander the Great, but TikTok videos were stuck at 200 views. So I decided to start creating new accounts where I posted at least 2 videos a day. Days, weeks passed, and finally, I received my long-awaited views. Several videos reached 100,000, some millions. I consider this challenge completed. Use my plan on how to make viral videos.